Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, very
Sir,
good.
I got my maths marks, sir.
Uh,
45, sir. Out of
out of
50, sir.
50, 45.
Yes, sir.
Great. What you done that last class, sir? Once tell me.
So we were doing double differentiation
Yes, yes. That
questions.
last question. What we done? I think if y equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx.
Yes, sir. We finished solving that question.
Very good. Right. The next one you can write. If y equal to 3 cos of log x, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x, comma, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Okay, y equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, and we have to show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Here, what is the meaning of y2 here? Y2 means, what is the meaning of y2? Please respond.
So double differentiation of
Yes.
y.
Second derivative is correct. Yes, very good. Y1 means first order derivative, and y is the given problem. It is. Yes, first you can find now. So first you can write now, given the function y equal to 3 cos of log x, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides, x on both sides. So therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dx, or this is the y1. y1 equal to dy by dx equal to differentiation of 3 cos log x. If you want, you can write clearly that dy by dx of
Sir,
3
it is a
cos
six
of,
marker question, sir.
no, it's not 6. Yes, maybe. But it is the for pu means plus 2 means plus 6 marks, but coming to the pu, the 5 marks. Dy by dx of 3 cos of log x plus dy by dx of, means the differentiation of 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x. Okay, here 3 is the constant value, take outside 3 constant, take outside, and differentiation of cos x equal to, we know very well that one, this is the minus sin of log x into, again differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x, is correct, plus different 4 is the constant value now, but differentiation of sin x equal to, you can write now cos x, means the cos of log x, again differentiation of log x equal to, you can write now 1 by x, right, 1 by x. So therefore the value of y1 equal to, the value of y1, so this area, this is a negative value, minus 3 sin of log x whole by x plus 4 cos of log x, 4 cos of log x whole by x, whole by x now. Now take LCM. X is the LCM here. So this one you can write now 4 cos of log x minus 3 sin of log x. 3 sin of, this is the value of y1, means dy by dx. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides again. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So therefore y2 or d square y by dx square equal to u by v formula can apply. U equal to center numerator we call as the u and x is the v. We know the formula it is v into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v whole by v square. So you can write now x into difference d by dx of 4 cos of log x minus 3 sin of log x 3 sin of log x minus 4 cos of log x, put bracket here now, minus 3 sin of log x into, but differentiation of v means differentiation of x equal to, we will get anyhow 1 only, whole by x square, whole by x square. So therefore the value of y2 equal to this, you can differentiate separately now. So x into 4 is the anyhow constant value, different cos equal, you can write now minus sin of log x into 1 by x, one value it is, minus 3 cos of log x into 1 by x, 1 by x, minus plus into minus equal, you can write now minus only 4 minus 4 cos of log x, minus into minus you can write now plus 3 sin of log x, 3 sin of log x whole by x square, whole by x square. Now all you can simplify that. So when you multiply with minus here now, that x will be cancelled. Here also x will be cancelled. The rest of you can write now. But this is a minus. Anyhow, these two will get cancelled now. Remaining you will get. Write down now. Here, one step. So y2 equal to. It's okay. Here x into this value. X and x will be cancelled. So 4 into minus equal, you can write now minus 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x, again plus into minus it is, and x and x will be cancelled. So here you can write now minus 3 cos of log x, 3 cos of log x minus 4 cos of log x plus 3 sin of log x, 3 sin of log x whole by x square, whole by x square. You know clearly, sorry. Don't cancel that value. Now first you can simplify the value now. Minus 4 sin of log x and plus 3 sin of log x equal to, I think, minus sin of log x only. Minus 3 cos of log x minus 4 cos of log x equal to minus 3 minus 4 equal to, you can write now minus 7. Minus 7 now. So therefore the value of y2 equal to, this is the minus sin of log x, minus sin of log x minus 7 cos of log x whole by x square. This is the value of y2. The value of y2 now. Already we got the value of y1 equal to, anyhow we got now 4 cos of log x minus 3 sin of log x. So all you can substitute in there now. So therefore x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to, so x square into the value of y2 equal to, you can write now minus sin of log x minus 7 cos of log x whole by x square plus x into the value of y1 equal to, you can write now 4 cos of log x minus 3 sin of log x, 3 sin of log x whole by x plus the value of y equal to the same problem you can write now. As it is only 3 cos of log x, 3 cos of log x plus the 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x. You see these two will be cancelled and these two also cancel here. So just you can note all those things. All the terms you can add now. Minus sin of log x minus 7 cos of log x plus 4 cos of log x, 4 cos of log x minus 3 sin of log x, and remaining terms you can write now plus 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x. You can simplify these values now. Here minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. How much? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Clearly, the 3 terms will be cancelled. Minus 7 plus 4 plus 3 equal to plus 7. So minus and positive also cancel now. So it is equal to clear. You can write now 0 is the answer. Okay, clear now. Very easy, but suppose value solve in the time. Suppose if you done one small mistake, it will go somewhere. But definitely you're not getting answer. So each and every step, be careful. Yes, you start now. Next one. Y equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 into e power minus 9x minus 7x, and show that d square y by dx square equal to 49y. Start now. It's very easy. So given function first you can write now. Given the value of y equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 into e power minus 7x, e power minus 7x. Right, now same. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to anyhow 500 is the constant value now. So 500 into e power 7x equal to, you can write now e power 7x into 7 plus this one you can write now 600 into e power minus 7x into minus 7 into minus 7. So this one you can write as it is. Just you can take common here now, 7 you can take common. So 500 into e power 7x minus 600 into e power minus 7x. This is the value of dy by dx. Value of dy by dx now. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. X on both sides. So therefore, d square y by dx square equal to dx square equal to, again is the, but both of them will be constant only, you can take outside now. So this is, you will get now 7 into 500 into e power 7x into 7 again minus this one you can write now 600. Okay, anyhow 700 is there now. 7 into 600 into e power minus 7x and differentiation of minus 7 equal to 7x equal to minus 7 equal to minus 7. So clearly you can take in the 7 sevens are 49 and 7 sevens are 49. So 49 you can take outside. So 49 into this is the 500 e power 7x minus into minus equal to, will get plus now 600 into e power minus 7x. This is the value of y, it is the value of y. So clearly you can write now it is equal to 49y. So d square y by dx square equal to 49y. So we have to prove this only. Okay. Next, if y equal to, if y equal to sin inverse x whole square, but we have to prove that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx equal to 2. This is a more important problem to you, because but don't think like this that they're given one single term. But when you differentiate the function, compulsory you will get now some lengthy one. So given the function y equal to sin inverse of x sin inverse of x whole square. Sin inverse of x whole square. So first you can differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to. Anyone tell me now? Differentiation of sin inverse of x whole square equal to how much? Huh? Sin inverse x whole square. Either sin inverse x whole square or else you can write now. It is a sin inverse whole square. X also you can write. Both are same thing. No problem that one. Or else you can write clearly that. So it's like x power n you can take. It's like now you can take here x power n. So differentiation of x power n equal to what you get? 2 into sin inverse of x into, again differentiation of you can take here now sin inverse of x. So 2 into sin inverse of x into the differentiation sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the value of dy by dx now. Value of dy by dx. If you want the same thing, you can write now 2 sin inverse of x, 2 sin inverse of x whole by root over 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square. Now again you can differentiate. Again you can differentiate now. See again differentiate with respect to, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx square equal to u by v can apply now. This is the root over 1 minus x square into differentiation of d by dx of 2 into sin inverse of x. 2 into sin inverse of x minus 2 into sin inverse of x into d by dx of, means the differentiation of you can write now d by dx of root over 1 minus x square whole by root of 1 minus x square whole square. We can simplify this. So square root of 1 minus x square, right, as it is only, but differentiation of, but anyhow 2 is the constant value, take outside. Differentiation of sin inverse x equal to, you can write now 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus 2 sin inverse of x, 2 sin inverse of x into differentiation of root of 1 minus x square equal to, you can write now 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square into, again differentiation of 1 minus x square equal to, will get in this value minus 2x. I think you know very well that one. Because differentiation of constant equal to 0 and minus x square equal to, get now minus 2x. Minus 2x. Whole by, and root and the square will be cancelled. This is you can write now 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Yes, you can write. So the equal to, I think clearly these two will be cancelled now. So this is the 2 minus into plus equal to, get minus into minus equal to plus only, and 2 will be cancelled. 2 to cancel here. So this is the 2x into sin inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square whole by 1 minus x square, whole by 1 minus x square. But we are getting answer. Yes, there x is there na. It's fine. Very good. The problem itself x is there now. this is the value of d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx square. Now the two values you can substitute in there now. So therefore 1 minus x square into, I am taking direct, it is the y2 minus x into y1 equal to, so 1 minus x square into your y2 equal to, you can write this value now, 2 plus 2x into sin inverse of sin inverse x whole by, here only you can write now, by root of 1 minus x square whole by 1 minus x square. One term it is, and minus x into the value of 1 equal reduce value now. Anyhow, 2 into x equal to, you will get directed 2x now. So 2x sin inverse of x, sin inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square now. So these two will be cancelled, and positive and negative also cancel. So clearly it should be equal to how much? 2. Answer. Clear this problem now, or any doubt is there? Any step? Please tell me. But he says you're not talking anything. Means just I'm thinking like you're getting all the problems here.
So clear, sir.
Ah, okay, very good. Yes, but it's more important. Find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. In terms of y alone. That means that answer, the result we have to get completely. But d square y by dx square equal to, we should get now in terms of y we have to get, but in terms of not x it is. Yes, first in complete this one. Let us start that.
So what do
Huh?
you in terms of y alone means?
In terms of y alone, that means the resultant answer we have to get compulsory in terms of y we have to get. Okay, means how to differentiate in the function here. Actually, the x is there now. That means
Yes,
we
sir.
have to eliminate this x now. Means compulsory we have to get, the result will be in terms of y we have to get. Okay. Yes. Given y equal to cos inverse of x. Right now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to Any differentiation of cos inverse x equal to what you get? Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. This one you can write this side now. So root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx equal to minus 1. Now squaring on both sides now. But everything, but whatever we done the previous method, you can follow, nothing happen it is. We get the same answer. This is the value of y mean dy by dx means again you can differentiate that. We will get. But later just we are converting into completely we are taking the substitution method. Maybe we got x means x equals some other value in terms of y. Just we are simplifying that. That's all. But everything will be same thing only. See, when you're squaring on both sides, what happen now? Root and whole square will be cancelled. So this is the 1 minus x square into this is actually dy by dx whole square equal to minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1. Minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1 now. Now again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. Or else suppose if you want means you can take here now u by v formula can apply. No problem that one. U equal to minus 1 and v equal to root of 1 minus. That is your choice. Anyway, you can do that. Now, so when you differentiate this function now, what you can tell me? It's like d by dx of 1 minus x square in this one means you can apply EV formula you can apply. U equal to 1 minus x square and v equal to dy by dx whole square. Okay. So, 1 minus x square into this is actually again different d by dx of dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx into d by dx of 1 minus x square. Is the other way it is just like this model also you can learn that equal to 1 equal to 0. The differentiation of constant equal to always 0 now.
Sir, dy by dx whole square, no, sir?
This is the whole square.
Next to that, sir.
Here whole square. Okay, whole square. So 1 minus x square into a differentiation of dy by dx whole square equal, it's like x power n you can take. X power n. 2 into dy by dx into again differentiation of this value equal to what you get? D square y by dx square. I am correct now? D square y by dx square plus this one if you want you can write as it is, or else dy by dx whole square equal to will get directly d square by that value also you can take. So dy by dx whole square into, but differentiation of 1 equal to 0 and minus x square equal to you can write now minus 2x. Minus 2x equal to 0. So clearly we require this value required now. We required here this value. So this term we can write this side now. Minus plus into minus will become that minus now. But this term we can write as it is only. So therefore, d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx square equal to this is you can write now dy by dx whole square into 2x whole by this also right this side will become the denominator now. This is the 2 into 1 minus x square into dy by dx now, and then clearly this will be cancelled. And 2 also cancel. 2 also cancel. And anyhow dy by dx equal to how much we got now? Dy by dx equal to we got the value minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That also you can substitute in there now. So it is equal to minus x by root of 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square whole by 1 minus x square now. This one you can take reciprocal minus x into minus x into this is you will get 1 by 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. It's correct now? And now we can do substitution. Let x equal to, because we have to write compulsory in terms of y we have to write now. Let x equal to, you can take cos y. Let x equal to, you can take cos y and substitute in there. Yes, find it. We take cos y means what you get? 1 minus cos square y. But sin square y we are getting. It's fine that. Right now let x equal to, you can take here now cos y. X equal to cos y you can take. All you can substitute in there. So d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx square equal to
Sir,
ah.
sir, x into 1 minus x square by under root 1 minus x square.
So right now this is the minus cos y whole by 1 minus cos square y. 1 minus cos square y, correct, into square root of 1 minus cos square y. Square root of 1 minus cos square y. So minus cos y whole by 1 minus cos square y equal, you can write clearly that one sin square y it is. Okay. Sin square y it is. But here this value now. What about this value? 1 minus cos square y equal to sin square y. But root of sin square y equal to sin y only. Into, you can write now sin y. But everything we got sin y now. Means so cos by sin equal to, we will get cot. So means so cot y by, correct only, you can write. So it is equal to minus cot y by sin square y. This is the value of d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. In terms of y alone. Okay. Suppose if you want, you can do the from here only, you can do the directly can differentiate. But we get the same answer only. Suppose you can take.
So we can use that u by v method there, no, sir?
Yes, you can do. You can do.
Okay, sir.
U by v also can apply. If taken u by v, what happened now? D square y by dx square equal to root of 1 minus x square into constant 0. And minus of minus 1 plus 1 we are getting. But differentiation of this value equal to 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square into minus 2x into minus 2x. So 2 will be cancelled. So anything will be 0 only, whole by anyhow it is the 1 minus x square we are getting. So what about this value now? Minus x by root of 1 minus x square into 1 by 1 minus x square. See now we got the same answer there also. Now x equal to cos y can substitute in there now. So minus cos y whole by, this is anyhow we got now minus sin y into the sin square y it is. Sin y into sin square y. We get same thing. That is your choice. You can write anything, no problem that. I am not saying here no compulsory you should write only this. No, if you want you can do this also. After this, you can write this one now. Y, okay, if e power y into x plus 1 equal to 1, show that d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square. Given e power y into x plus 1 equal to 1. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. Yes. Differentiate now. Tell me dy by dx equal to how much? Dy by dx equal to is correct. Right this side. So x plus 1 into e power y into dy by dx equal to minus e power y. So dy by dx equal to, you can write now, minus e power y whole by the e power y into x plus 1. So this will be cancelled. It is equal to, you can write minus 1 by x plus 1. Minus 1 by x plus 1. Again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So therefore d square y by dx square equal to u by v formula can apply now. X plus 1 into 0 minus means plus 1 we are getting into 1 whole by x plus 1 whole square. So this is equal to, you can write now, x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So the same thing only you can write minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square also you can write now. It is equal to dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square. The value of d square y by dx square equal to. Then this is a 22. If y equal to e power a cos inverse of x, a cos inverse of x, comma, comma, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Prove that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus, okay, minus a square y equal to 0, minus a square y equal to 0, equal to 0. Yes, first you can try now. Try once, you try yourself. Because already we done so many problems we done. Anyway, it is in the form of e power x only. So e power x equal to e power x. Into again differentiation of this power now. That means a is the constant value. Just you can write outside. So a into differentiation of cos inverse x equal to, you will get now 1 by minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. But sir, just again you can differentiate. U by v formula you can apply. We will get. Y equal to e power a cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So dy by dx equal to, so d by dx of e power a cos inverse of x now. So e power x equal to, you will get compulsory e power x only, means e power a cos inverse of x into, again differentiation of, you can write now, a cos inverse of x. So now we can write it. E power a cos inverse of x into, anyhow a is the constant only, or differentiation of cos inverse x equal to, you can write now, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. So therefore, dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to minus a into e power a cos inverse x minus a into e power a cos inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square. Okay, again differentiate with respect to x. So again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So therefore, d square y by dx square equal to, d square y by dx square equal to, EB formula can apply now, v into, that means 1 minus x square into differentiation of that value, means you can write d by dx of minus a into e power a cos inverse of x minus, minus into minus will get plus now, a into e power a cos inverse of x into d by dx of root of 1 minus x square whole by root of 1 minus x square whole square. Root of 1 minus x square whole square now. Yes, you can simplify and you can write now. So root of 1 minus x square into, different minus a is the constant, you can take outside now. So e power x equal to, you get e power x only. So e power cos inverse of x into, again differentiation of a cos inverse x equal to a is the constant, so minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square value plus a into e power a cos inverse of x, and differentiation of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square into, again differentiation of 1 minus x square equal to, we'll get clearly minus 2x now, minus 2x. So these two will be cancelled. Anyhow, minus into minus equal to plus we are getting, and 2 2 also cancel. 2 2 also cancel. Where both of them it is a into a equal to, you can write now a square into e power a cos inverse of x whole by, okay, sorry, plus, here also you can write now a into e power a cos inverse of x whole by, plus into minus you can write here, minus you can write now root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square. So this is the value of d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square now. Now if you want, you can take, I think the whole by is there now. We forgot that. So the whole by 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. So therefore d square y by dx square equal to, dx square equal to, so a square into e power a cos inverse of x plus a into e power a cos inverse of x whole by, the plus into minus will get minus now, and one more x also is there, so this one you can write now ax into whole by root of 1 minus x square whole by 1 minus x square whole by 1 minus x square. That's all. So this one directly can substitute in there now, directly can substitute in there. So therefore 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx minus a square y equal to, a square y equal to 1 minus x square into d square by dx square equal to a square into e power a cos inverse of x minus ax into e power a cos inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square, the whole by 1 minus x square. The first term it is. And coming to the second term, we can write now. So minus x into dy by dx equal to how much we got? Simply rub this one. How much? Minus a by minus a into e power a cos inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square plus, okay, minus a square into, here y equal to e into a power e power a cos inverse of x now, cos inverse of x. Here clearly these two will be cancelled now, these two are cancelled. So remaining you can write now a square into e power a cos inverse of x minus, this is right as it is only, ax into e power a cos inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square. Here minus into minus equal to get plus now. A into x equal to ax. Ax into e power a cos inverse of x whole by root of 1 minus x square minus a square into e power a cos inverse of x. So anyhow plus and minus will be cancelled. Here also plus and minus will be cancelled. The result equal to 0. Okay. That same question, if you want, you can do one more way also you can solve. That same thing. First complete this. Later tell me, just I'll give the one more method. Finish? Oh, yes. All of you once look at the board now, first listen to me. The same question. You can do one more way. I think previous what you get tell me the dy by dx equal to how much we got? Please respond. Dy by dx equal to how much we got now? Ritesh? Ritesh? Ritesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me what is previous the same question only. The value of dy by dx. How much we got? Tell me. Same, just I am telling the another method. The value of dy by
Minus a
dx minus a
e power a
e
cos
power
inverse
a
x
cos inverse of x whole
by root 1 minus x square.
root of 1 minus x square we got now.
Yes.
So this one you can write simply that minus anyhow this is the value. What about this one now? The value of y on it is the value of y it is. So minus ay equal to you can write now root of 1 minus x square. This is the value of dy by dx equal to the value of dy by dx equal to. Clear that. Now we can do the cross multiplication denominator right this side now. That implies root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx equal to minus ay. Now we can differentiate now. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. You can write now. This is anyhow UV formula can apply. So
Sir,
root
which
of
question
1
is
minus x square into the differentiation of this value what you get d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into the root of this value equal to what you get 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Is it correct now? Minus 2x because differentiation of constant equal to 0 and minus x square equal to minus 2x. Minus 2x now. Equal to any of minus a is the constant value, right? As it is only. But differentiation of y equal to you can write now dy by dx you can write. Dy by dx. Correct. 2 will be cancelled now. to cancel. So we have to, what we have to prove now? We have to prove that what is the value? Now we can take LCM directly. We get the answer. Here 1 minus root of 1 minus x square is the LCM. Is LCM now. So root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square equal to 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square plus, but these will be cancelled directly, can write now, but plus into minus equal to will get minus x into dy by dx equal to, so this is the anyhow minus a into dy by dx now, minus a into dy by dx. This one right side, this one right side now. So 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx equal to, what about this value now? Minus a into, anyhow dy by dx equal to, we got the value. How much? The same thing only can write now. So this is, you can write minus a into e power a cos inverse of x, or else you can write y only, can write, no problem that. Right now y only, minus a into minus ay whole by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. Now these two also cancel. I think I
Which
wrote
question?
two times. I wrote here now. Two times. You can write. So minus into minus equal to what you get? Plus a into a equal to a square. So a square y is the remaining. So that a square y you can transfer to the LHS side.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, this is the same question.
Same question. The same problem. I will give the other method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Whatever you feel the easy, that's what you can follow. Your choice only. The same problem is the second method. It is. So 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx. The minus into minus plus only, but a into a square into y. You can transfer to LHS side, it's become that minus a square into y equal to 0. I think we have to prove this all in a. It's correct. I can do anyway, no problem that one. But and up to dy by dx, it will be same. Later that is your choice. Either you can do the direct differentiation, this one, or else you can do root of 1 minus x square, you can transfer to the LHS side, or later you can differentiate. That is your choice only. (23) If y equal to tan inverse of x whole square, comma, show that it is also important to you. Remember that. Show that x square plus 1 whole square, whole square into y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 equal to 2. If y equal to tan inverse x whole square, comma, show that x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 equal to 2. Given y equal to tan inverse of x whole square. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So dy by dx or y1 equal to, both are same thing only. It's like x power n it is. So you can write now 2 into tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x into differentiation of tan inverse x equal to, you'll get now 1 by 1 plus x square. It's correct. The same you can write now 2 tan inverse of x whole by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. You do now. So d square y by dx square or dx square or y2 equal to, so 1 plus x square into the differentiation of this value, that means 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus 2 tan inverse of x into differentiation of 1 by x square equal to, you'll get now 2x whole by, so 1 plus x square whole square. So these two will be cancelled. So therefore y2 equal to, you can write now 2 minus, and 2 2s are 4, 4x into tan inverse of x whole by 1 plus x square whole square. Yes, both they can substitute in there now. So therefore x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 equal to x square plus 1 whole square into y2 equal to 2 minus 4x tan inverse of x whole by 1 plus x square whole square plus 2x into 1 plus x square into the value of y1 equal to 2 tan inverse of x whole by 1 plus x square. And these two also cancel now. So 2 minus 4x into tan inverse of x and plus into plus plus only, and 2 2s are the 4x into tan inverse of x, and these two also cancel. It is equal to 2. What do you call this one? What do you call this? Again, real function. Okay, two different functions is given, x and y. What do you call this?
Parametric
Yes,
form.
parametric form. I think already you know very well that one. You know, what is the parameter now? T is the parameter. So with respect to t, first you find the derivative of x with respect to t. Means dx by dt we are getting. Derivative of y with respect to t. We'll get dy by dt. You follow the same procedure. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole by dx by dt. You can find it. The total at last we got now one result, one small. Okay, dy by dx we will get. That is again differentiate with respect to that parameter. Okay.
So this will be 6-mark question, right?
Uh, yes. Differentiate now. Differentiate with respect to t. What is the parameter now? Parameter equal to t here now. So dx by dt equal to dx by dt equal to a is the constant value. But differentiation of cos t equal to get no minus sin t plus 7 is the constant to and differentiation of sin t equal to will get no cos t. Cos t. The bracket you can write. Next, dy by dt equal to dy by dt equal to a is the anyhow constant only and differentiation of sin equal to you can write now cos t minus 7 into differentiation of cos t equal to you can write now minus sin t minus sin t. Now simplify this value now. So a into cos t minus into minus plus 7 sin t 7 sin t. So value of dy by dt equal to. So therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole by dx by dt dx by dt now. So dy by dt equal you can write a into cos t plus 7 sin t whole by but dx by dt equal you can write now a into minus sin t plus 7 into cos t. A also cancel. A also cancel now. Now again you can differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to t. Because again the what is the parameter here now? T is the parameter. T is the parameter. Here the in this problem just we done the one small mistake. Problem is correct only. But according to this one, we are taking the 7 means it's correct only. But actually the problem they given is instead of it's not 7, it is a T. What is that? This is a T. But if taken 7 means it's correct. But no mistake at all. If what they can do directly, nothing apparent is. So we'll apply the dy by dx, that's all. You can write that. Next. You can write now. Again, with respect to x now. So d square y by dx square equal to u by v formula can apply now. So minus sin t plus 7 into cos t into the differentiation of that value cos t equal to, you can write now, minus sin t plus 7 into sin t equal to, you can write now, cos t minus cos t plus 7 sin t into the differentiation of v equal to what you get sin t means you can write now minus cos t minus 7 sin t whole by
Sir, can't see
Sir,
the top line, sir.
where this one
sir,
The
it should
first
be dt by dx. dt by dx again.
by
Because with respect to x, we are differentiating
yes
cos
yes
t and
yes
sin.
with respect to x only very good, very good. Then that means just you do one thing now, the same question but don't copy as it is now. You can according to the problem you can change that, but because if you take in 7 means we'll get some lengthy, but definitely the answers will get some other thing it is. Here also you can instead of 7 you can take here not t only, because in problem itself they given t, but I am not seeing properly, that's why I gave here now 7 here. Takes t and you can do that. So dx by dt equal to what you get, tell me now. A is the constant value. Cos t means you can write now sin t plus EV formula you can apply. So E in t into differentiation of sin t equal to, you can write cos t plus this is the sin t. So clearly what you get is these two will be cancelled. So the value of dx by dt equal to at into cos t. First one. Next, dy by dt also you can take here now. dy by dt. A is the constant value. Sin t means you can write now cos t minus of t into minus sin t plus cos t now. So a into cos t minus into minus plus t sin t minus cos t. These two also cancel. This is the at into sin t. So this is the value of dy by dt equal to. So therefore, dy by dx equal to, you can write now dy by dt whole by dx by dt. So dy by dt equal, anyway we got now at into sin t whole by at into cos t. At will be cancelled. But sin t by cos t equal to, you can write now sin t by cos t equal to, you can write tan t. The value of tan t now. Now again you can differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So this is the again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then only you will get no dy by dx will get. So differentiation of sin t tan t equal to what you get? So d square y by dx square equal to differentiation of tan t equal to, you'll get now secant square t into the dt by dx now. But anyhow I think previous we got now dx by dt equal to how much we got now? At into cos t. So based on that, if taken dt by dx equal to how much will get? Take reciprocal of this number now. 1 by at into cos t is correct. So that one you can substitute in there now. So it is equal to, you can write secant square t into 1 by at into cos t. At into cos t. So anyhow secant square means what I can say this value now? Or else reciprocal of cos equal to, you can write now secant. So secant into secant square equal to secant cube t by at. Secant cube t by at. So this is the value of d square y by dx square. Simply you can write this one, it's enough.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, what if we do double differentiation of y with respect to t, and then same thing with x, and then divide it?
That also it's fine. Actually, we got the value. This is the we got now. Is correct now? This is again you can
Yes, sir.
differentiate with respect to t. But d square. But see, suppose if taken directly here now, the value different with respect to t. What you can tell me this value now? D square x we are getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
so compulsory then what we have to do means first you can find directly as usual it is up to the parametric form how to be solved that in the same we can do. Later you can differentiate with respect to x. But anyhow we'll get number because you know in the two terms here the cos t with the parameters of t here now. But here also we got now t only. But anyhow sin by cos equal we get tan t. But when you differentiate this function, compulsory you will get this value secant square t into dt by dx. But here also
Yes,
we have
sir.
the confusion again. But previously we got the value. But dx by dt equal to how much? At into cos t. Just to take reciprocal. See when you take reciprocal, what happened now? Dt by dx equal to 1 by at into cos t. Correct? Now this one you can substitute in there. So 1 by cos equal to secant. Secant into secant square equal to secant cube t by at. This is the value of d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. Okay. Now we got the idea. Second order derivative. If you understand this means and we stop this method also, then tomorrow just we are going to start the Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem, the last concept in this chapter. Okay, yes, copy this. Tomorrow just we will start the Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem.
Done, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Now you got the clarity about this concept now. Second order
Yes.
derivative,
Yes, sir.
second order derivative, parametric form, and the differentiation of means logarithm differentiation, exponential differentiation. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anyhow,
sir.
just I gave the very clearly concept wise. Okay, so you can do one more time practice. Then it's very easy. I think for this only for this chapter, I think almost one notebook is over. I think it's correct. I think only for this chapter,
Yes,
continuity and
sir.
differentiability, almost one notebook.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Did the big chapter and that too we are doing the number of questions. But in coming to the textbook, they are given very less questions only. Okay. Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.